A lot of our clients seem to think that the production fluid offers enough lubrication for downhole moving parts, rods, pump. So here's what we're going to do is we're going to take some production fluid from one of our customers and pour it in a reservoir of a cross-axis friction machine. We're going to apply a bearing to a spinning race to show about what level of pounds per square inch that we can stop that bearing at. With one finger, stop it. Leave it stop. That was about 4,000 PSI. We were able to stop that bearing. Now, we're going to put some ProFlow in. Which, is it running? Which is water soluble, and it'll mix with the production fluid you have downhill. It'll expand and multiply in volume. We're already way past where we were stopping the bearing with just production fluid as a lubricant. We're going to see how far he can push it. He's up to about 100,000 pounds per square inch. About 150. There's 200,000 pounds per square inch just by adding some ProFlow to the existing production fluid, which is 50 times stronger than we had before. As we keep going, we'll add, let's say, some petrolite, which people use for corrosion inhibitors. You can see that the film strength returns. About 175, 180,000 pounds per square inch. That's with a solvent, which shows that it doesn't cut the film strength of our lubricant. It's about 180, 190,000 pounds per square inch. We also forget that there's sand down these wells, so let's throw some sand in there. I'm just going to add a little bit more because we're burning it off. And then now, let's just get a lot more sand in there. This is a lot thicker than brines and stuff like that you're going to see. Just trying to get this thing to stop. We're going to find out where it stops at. We're like probably 90% sand. All the fluid's burnt off. We're still holding 200,000 PSI. I mean, my goal is not to ruin my machine, but I just can't choke it out. You know, and then as you get more water, I mean, eventually we're trying to get this thing to shut down, but we're still holding 200,000 PSI. I mean, this is pretty much all water and sand now. Everything else is burned off. But ProFlow bonds to metal. It creates a long-term film bond that keeps all metal on metal moving parts lubricated, no matter how extreme the downhole conditions are. Brine, sand, production fluid, toxic chemistry used to treat paraffin, rust, corrosion, and scale. You're not going to find something like this. I mean, there's no more fluid left in there. This is pretty much just all sand. Eventually, you know, it'll wear out, but no well conditions are going to have 200,000 PSI and that kind of RPM.